Hi guys, welcome back to Hobby Baker's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make some interesting ice cream. Yes, it's a masala chai ice cream and masala chai ice cream float. This is a 2-ingredient ice cream which doesn't need any whipping cream, condensed milk or ice cream machine, and absolutely you can do with any flavor that you want, and this can be a good summer activity for the kids during this summer. Let's make masala chai. Let's add all the ingredients given in the description box below together and boil it for about 10 minutes. Filter it and chill it for a couple hours. We want our chai to be really cold. Also use whole milk, full fat milk. If you have chai masala powder at home, use that instead of the whole spices that I'm using. Now to make the ice cream, we will need 2 Ziploc bags, one a small one and a big one. I'm adding 1 cup of the chilled chai into the small Ziploc bag. This is a sugar-free chai. Now I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of sugar into the Ziploc bag. We got to seal the Ziploc bag really well. We don't want any of the liquid to seep out later. Now this is ready. Let's prepare our bigger Ziploc bag. Here I have a gallon size Ziploc into which I'm going to add some ice cubes. After adding all the ice cubes, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of rock salt. You can use any salt that you have at home. Salt is very important here. It keeps the temperature down. Now place the masala chai Ziploc and add some more of the ice cubes on top of it. Now seal the Ziploc bag properly, and we're going to wrap this Ziploc bag in our kitchen towel because we are going to shake the Ziploc bag for about 7 to 8 minutes. We don't want our hands to freeze, so I'm going to wrap it and shake it for about 7 to 8 minutes. I'll be back after 7 to 8 minutes. See, this is after about 7.5 minutes. Now let us see how our ice cream looks like. I'm going to take this out of the Ziploc bag. There will be some ice cubes and the salt stuck in it. I'm gonna clean the Ziploc bag with cold water, just very quickly. I don't want my ice cream to melt. Now let us see the magic. Oh my god, this is the perfect soft serve ice cream. If you want it to be really hard, you can put it in the freezer for maybe 5 to 10 minutes and it will be ready. I feel this is perfect for me. Let us transfer all the ice cream into the bowl. Best thing about this ice cream is you don't need any extra ingredients. If you have milk, sugar and some essence at your home, you're done. You can add berries, you can add chocolate, you can add cookies, anything that you want. Look at this. This is soft, smooth and perfect ice cream is ready in 10 minutes with just the ingredients that we always have at home. Let me try and taste a little bit and let you know how it is. This masala chai flavor is unbelievably yum. I'm really loving it. Now I'm going to show you how to make masala chai ice cream float. Here I have hot chai and I'm going to add the ball of ice cream into it. This is a hard chai which has no sugar in it, and I've added 1 scoop of ice cream. I'm gonna stir it slowly. Look at this. This is our desi dalgona chai, I can say. This looks amazing. I'm gonna taste it. This is awesome. I'm gonna taste some ice cream also. Actually, I made 1 more batch of the ice cream because what I made for the first time was really less. This time I added 2 cups of ice cream and I made it. See, here you go. Thank you for watching.